Guys, welcome back to another episode of Kyle's Vlog. So today I'll be sharing you some recipe na tinanong nyo sa akin last night na about dun sa aking Spanish Sardines by Kyle. So tuturuan ko kayo kung paano magluto nun. Of course, sharing is loving and sharing is giving. So you guys all deserve this. And halika, luto tayo.
Hi guys! Kamusta kayong lahat? So, eto nga po yung actually niluto ko kagabi. This is a part of my Kyle's Vlogs, but I call it Kyle Cooks. So, this is one way of sharing you my love for food. So, today I will be sharing you my recipe in doing Spanish sardines. So, eto naman inaral ko lang in my own way. So what I'm going to do right now is that I already flat laid here all the ingredients, and as you can see, this is the sardines. So let's start by putting in our onions. So yung onion,
garlic pala guys, sorry, hindi pala onion.
Half lang siya.
Sensya na tao lang, nagkakamali din.
So, ilalatag lang natin siya sa loob ng ating pressure cooker. Yan. So, you don't have to put it all kasi gusto mo siyang i-distribute later on sa ibabaw ng ating mga fish. Followed by bay leaf. Yan. So, bay leaf. Okay. I think wag muna natin ilagay lahat ng bay leaf. Konti lang. Diyan sa ilalim. Para meron pa tayo pag lagay sa ibabaw. Next would be our fish. So, this is a 3 kilo fish. Yesterday, nung nagluto ako, 2 kilo lang. So, nag-add ako. Kasi, naubos siya, guys. So, ilalatag lang natin siya in a way na para tayong nagpapangat or sisinaing na isda. Yan. So, nahugasan ko na siya ng 3 beses. Ayan. Kailangan nga pala tayo dito ng olive oil. This is 2.5 cup. Carrots to add color. I have olives. Wala na siyang seeds. Fish sauce. I have 3 tablespoons of salt, rock salt. I have a ground black pepper here. We also have paprika, chili, pepper na whole, bay leaf, garlic, and the fish. That's it. And love for food. Kasi yun yung secret ingredient sa lahat ng nagluluto. You should love what you're doing. And guys, for those of you who know me, I am a makeup artist, and at the same time, I also love cooking. So my passion for cooking is, really makes me do this kind of vlog or video. Kamusta kayo? Today is Friday. Today is my off. So meron tayong time para magluto. Gagamit din pala ako ng water, making sure na nakalubog yung making sure na lubog siya. So guys, this time na lagyan na po natin ang ating sardines fish. Lalagyan na po natin siya ng salt. This salt, I choose rock salt. Ewan ko, mas preferred ko kasi yung rock salt compared sa mga iodized salt. Ewan ko, ako lang. Kayo naman, pwede naman kayo gumamit ng iodized salt as you like. And then, you would want the ground black pepper and paprika together. Yung paprika po, siya po yung mag-a-add ng color doon sa sardines. And then, you would want fish sauce. Wala pong special na fish sauce. Patis lang po to na huwag na po natin banggitin yung brand. This is not sponsored though. Tapos, merong chili. Gusto mong ilagay yung chili generously. Hindi mo na siya kailangang pisain kasi nga may mga clients tayo na ayaw naman kumain ng maanghang. Here. The bay leaf, remaining bay leaf guys, ilagay na po natin siya dito. Yung remaining nating garlic, pwede na rin natin siya dito guys. Tapos, yung buong paminta, ilagay natin siya. And then, you would want to put the olives. Tanggalin natin siya ng sabaw. Or ng, what do you call that? The olive generously sa tapos next would be the carrots. Dalawang buong carrots to ang nilagay ko. Pwede mo na siya ilagay ng ganyan. Okay. And then guys, it's the time for you to put on your olive oil. This is 2.5 cups of olive oil. Guys, we would also need water. Lagyan natin yung water. Pag naglagay tayo ng water, make sure lang na level siya ng fish para hindi matuyuan. So guys, make sure na kapag naglagay tayo ng water, it's level dun sa...
Yes! Paulit-ulit. You're like a broken record.
Pressure it for like an hour and a half. Very, very low fire. And para ma-achieve natin yung sobrang lambot ng tinik ng isda. Kasi alam niyo naman, di ba, yung sardines is very matinik. So, ayun, make sure that level siya para hindi siya matuyo. And then, kung gusto niyo pang mag-add ng mga other spices like patis, asin, pwede pa kayo mag-add ng konti like that. So, kung ano yung remaining, pwede niyo pang i-add ng ganyan. And kung gusto niyo pa mag-add ng olive oil, pwede din naman. Alright guys, so let's start cooking this one and I'll get back to you after like an hour para meron tayong updates. Alright? So yeah. So guys, as you can see, pressure cooker ko na siya. Upon checking, 30 minutes left na lang dun sa 1 hour na pressure time niya. So, I'm excited. Ayan, pinapatingaw ko na ngayon yung pressure cooker para nang sa ganon ay matanggal ang pressure. Gabay. Para masigurado natin wala ng pressure sa loob nitong pressure cooker na to. Gusto nyong tapat siya sa malamig na water para safe siyang buksan. Better be safe, yes. Ayoko maputokan. So are you guys ready for the sardines? Bubuksan na natin siya. Let's check. There you go. Looks yummy. Now it's about time for us to taste and check kung lumambot ba yung tinek. And of course, check na rin natin yung lasa. So guys, eto na po ang ating sardines. Pressurized sardines for an hour. And tinikman ko na po siya. And it tastes good. And I love it. There you go, guys. I have two packed in the container and ready to be distributed. Yes.
So guys, ito na po ang ating Spanish